All Intergas boilers run on natural gas, but can be easily converted using our LPG conversion kit. Inside the kit, you get the disc, the O-ring, and the G31 sticker to be placed on the data badge or on the side of the gas valve. Once you've safely isolated the electric and gas to the appliance, you need to remove the case. Once you've removed the case, you'll find the injector disc located at the top of the gas valve, the nut leading to the fan. Simply undo the nut, where you'll find the natural gas injector, and then simply insert the LPG injector, place the nut, ensuring not to pinch the O-ring, nip up the nut, once your disc is inserted, using your flue gas analyzer, check your CO2 emissions against the sheet that's provided in the conversion kit.